Hey! Today I am going to be reacting to the Dog of Wisdom. I've heard about this, and I've heard it's pretty drippy. So, why not? Let's just get into it. Oh, here comes my brother. Yes, whatever. Goodbye. Anyways, let's start reacting. Here we go. Hi. Okay. Okay. I like how he talks. This is funny and derpy. Just a dog in an airplane. Oh, who's that? He's just like, oh, it's, who are you? The Dog of Wisdom? That's the Dog of Wisdom. The wisdom tooth? What is your wisdom? Here's my wisdom. If your ball is too big for your mouth, it's not yours. That's a good wisdom. Thanks. I also know knock-knock jokes. Knock-knock. Who's there? Ball. Ball who? Believe it or not. Yep. Oops. Yeah. So that was the dog. The dog. Oh no, he's stuck. He's stuck. There. That was the Dog of Wisdom. Yes, that was. And yes, that was. Whatever. Just end the video.